Hey people, I'm here to talk about briefly what happened to the city boys in Owerri like 2 days ago. Hey, we have come to caption it as the village boys overpower the city boys. So what am I trying to say? You see these two people here, Obi Kubana and Kubana Chief Priest. These are people who were lucky in life. The internet and Mother Nature gave them a platform. Mother Nature elevated them to a point that they become the apple in the eyes of the people. Not just anyhow people, they are Igbo people, not just they are Igbo people, the whole of Nigerians, people who aspire to be better, people who aspire to, make it in life, see them from the outside, from the photo ops that they do, and they have come to love them and put their trust in them. Like, this is one of us. Wealth was not given to them. They worked hard for the wealth. So, in essence, what am I trying to say? Now that the people love them, they now betray the people. Betray the people how? I'm not trying. Let's just first off, we have to establish the fact and accept the fact that these two people, that they've got two rights enshrined in the Constitution: right of expression and right of association. We don't have to tell them which club they will belong to, which political party they will belong to, but then this is where they say morality comes in. When in the legal framework or the legal environment, when all legalities fail, people tend to look at the court tend to look at moral. So these people lacked morality in their judgment. So when they started supporting Tinubu via his son Tinubu, I'm not here to advise them. I'm not here to tell them what to do. But one would have thought that they would have done it with, having boundaries, within boundaries. And without bounds, they started campaigning for him. Even when 2027, the campaign for 2027 has not been lifted up, they took this to the heartland of Igbo, which is Owerri. After their initial Gara and Maga with the governors and all the earlys. This is why they call them the government by earlys. Anyway, for the earlys. So, anyways, what happened was when they now made the people, the actual people of the village, what happened was this thing. You see, chaos reigned. People started grabbing what they thought belonged to them originally. And now the whole thing of Tinubu 2027 has made a breakthrough. You guys will go back and recalibrate, and know that this time the internet, AI is not a joke. When they talk about, having integrity or transparency, so to say, the internet has come to stay. Regardless of what anybody talks about, the internet will decide. Now, your whole Owerri gig has come down to being a flop. It is a flop. What can we say? What can anyone say about it? It is a flop.